Friends, in my last video, we discussed ordered, unordered, and definition list. Today, we will discuss how to reverse an ordered list. So many a times we encounter a situation we want the sequence to be in the reverse order, like we see it here, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how to do so for an ordered list? Let me go to the HTML document. So as you see, in the body portion, we give the OL tag, which means ordered list. And then I use the term reversed. So this is used to reverse the ordering of the ordered list. So when I use this term, I see 4, 3, 2, 1 instead of my normal sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose I remove it and show it to you. So if I remove it, see the sequence becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how reverse functions. So suppose you want to give the type as ABCD instead of the numbering portion. So when you do so with reversed, see, you can see DCBA. Again, the ordering is reversed in alphabetical order. So this is how the reverse of the ordered list happens. Thank you.